This is the 2-in-1 charging cables for your watch and your phone. So that's really convenient, and it's I believe this is the 6 feet. Let's make sure. Yeah. I'm trying to see the 110 centimeter. Is it the 6 feet or 8? So this is for the watch and this is for your phone. And you just plug it in to the USB outlet. And this is the threaded, braided cable. Make it more flexible. And it's really handy to have this because then in this case you have much easier to manage your watch even outside on travel. Well, now we can't really travel, but this make it much easier to bring it along with you when you go out. So let me just make sure how to put it back. Got this from my friend. I don't have an iWatch, and got it from my friend. She has been wearing her iWatch for a long time. Every Christmas I give her accessory for her to change her watch stuff. So it's perfect that I added on the collection. That this portion that you can use 2-in-1. Really nice.